Okay, so welcome back once again, guys. Now, in this lecture, I'll be talking about that. Let's suppose we have a VM, right? So we have already installed a Cloudera, and if I have to transfer a file from my local machine, from my Windows machine to this Cloudera VM, so how I will be able to transfer that particular file? So you have to do a couple of changes. You have to do a couple of setting, and with the help of that, you will be able to do it in a easiest possible way. By default, it is not going to support. So the very first thing that all of you have to do is go to Google. I'm going to attach this particular link, so don't worry about it. So go to Google and try to download a software called as WinSCP. Yeah, so WinSCP for Windows, and you can try to download it. And then once you are able to download it, you will be able to transfer a file from a Windows to a virtual machine to your Cloudera setup, and then vice versa from Cloudera system to your local machine. You will be able to transfer a file. So first of all, guys, download it and install it from the link which I have given to all of you, right? And once you are able to install it, just try to search for WinSCP. Yeah, so just try to search for WinSCP. So it's a very small file, so just download and install it. And let's suppose if I am going to open up my WinSCP, right? So this is how. Let me show you the full screen, by the way. Yeah, so how my entire things will look like. Just a minute. So yeah, so WinSCP, fine. So this is how it will look like. Yeah, so here it is going to ask you for, first of all, a host name, and then it is going to ask you for basically a port number. It is going to ask you for a username, and it is going to ask you for a password by default. Yeah, now, so you have to do a couple of changes basically inside your VM itself. So first of all, you have to shut down your Cloudera. You can try to click on file, close, and then you can try to shut down. Once you are going to shut down, so just go to your your VM setting, by the way. So let me close it. So file, close, and then power off. Okay. So I have just closed it, and I have to get a host name, but I can try to close it, keep it closed as of now. That's completely fine. I'm here inside my VM. So this is my VM Cloudera Quick Start, right? So I can go to a setting. Now inside settings, I can go to a network. Inside network, I can try to click on adapter 2, and then just enable it. Yeah? By default, it won't be enabled. So it will be like this. So just try to enable it. And then from this list, just try to select host only adapter. Fine, host only adapter. So this option you have to select, and then try to click on save. As simple as that. And then click on start. So once you are going to start, once you are going to spin a machine, then I'm going to show you that how you will be able to get a IP address. So once you will be able to get an IP address, then from WinSCP, you will be able to log in, and you will be able to transfer a file from VM to Windows, and Windows to a VM. All of these things you will be able to do it. So just wait for like a couple of minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and so that my Cloudera machine is going to start. Okay, so my Cloudera VM is up. So maybe I can try to open up a terminal. Let me increase a size a little bit, and then you can try to type IPADDR address and show. Yeah. So here it is going to show you this IP address. So it is going to show you even localhost IP address. It is going to show you even this particular IP address. So now this particular IP address is basically required for you to log in into a WinSCP. Let me show you how. So here is my WinSCP, right? So I can try to click on new tab, and what is my host name, by the way? So my host name is going to be 192.168.56.101. So 192.168.56 and 101. I believe this was the one. Yeah, so 192.168.56.101. So 192.168.56.101. Username is going to be CLOUDERA Cloudera. Password is CLOUDERA Cloudera. Fine, and then try to log in. So it will try to connect, and here, so you will be able to find out that on one side, right? This is basically one side, it is showing you all of these files from a Cloudera, and on other side, so it is showing you all of this file from your local system. So let's suppose if I have to select some like a D drive, and then from D drive, so if I have to transfer some of the file from here to here, so I can try to transfer this file from here to here in a easiest possible manner. So as you can see, this FreshDesk file that I have transferred from here to here, it's available now, right? It's available now. So this is going to make your life very, very easy, guys. So if you have a WinSAP, so that you will be able to transfer a file from here to here in a easiest possible manner. See, I'm able to transfer a parcel file from here to here in a quickest possible way. So WinSAP, just try to install it, try to download it, and keep it inside your system, so that whatever file you are going to download it inside a Windows, you will be able to transfer it easily inside your VM machine, and then you will be able to eventually process it. You will be able to use it. So with that, thank you so much everyone. Take care and see you again.